So hello friends, we are back with our second lecture, and in this lecture we will see about some overview of Java. In last lecture I just introduced what all courses we are going to do in this, and now today I am going to say what all overview of Java. So in last class also I say that Java is write once and run anywhere, that also you can see here. And here some we can see some features of Java, like Java is object oriented means like in any real life example we can implement in Java, and we can develop our application, so it can be easily developed. Any application can be easily developed using Java. Like here you can written in Java everything an object, and Java can be easily extended since it can based on object model. So object is nothing but what all things, any things is called as Java, like my laptop, your pen. So all things is called, you can call as object. So in Java we can make object very easily, so any application can be built using Java. You can develop any application in Java very easily. So second, we can say that Java is a platform independent. Like in my last lecture I already told that Java is platform independent, and C++ and C are platform dependent. Like you can write your program in Windows system, and you can write the same program in Linux system without compiling it. Just I have to compile without writing same code. So that is platform independent. And some people are saying that Java is complex. Java syntax is complex, but its concept are very easy. So once you understand Java, it is very simple. And Java is very much secure. That's why very much company are preferring for Java developer. So Java is very much secure. Java, like if you develop any application using Java, it is a virus free. As you can see here, is a virus free, and it is secure means you can encrypt your application or any public key so that anyone can't see. And these all portable these all I will say afterward, because if I say now you didn't understood. So these all topics these all are come, so at that time I will say. And here they have written first program in Java. So what is the syntax and how can we write our first program in Java? So I will say here they have written like public class and some class name. So in Java two things only, class and object. So now we are wondering what is class. So class, I can give an example, like in one class like in one college many classes are there. Like for second year many classes are there. For second year many classes are like second year A, second year B, second year C, and second year D. So in each class many members are there, but they are all same category. So that's why they are in section A, and section B all are of their same category, so they are in section B. And for class C they are all of same category, so they are in another class. So in Java also, what all similar things are there, we are putting in same class, and what all are different things we are putting in another class. So that is called as class. Similar kind of thing put in same class. So here we are making one class, and class name you can give any name here, and it should be public. It should be public. This I will explain later, because if I explain now you can't understood. So that's why for now you can remember public, class, and class name. So you can give any name here, and here you have to write this public static void main, and then these two close, and you can write anything here. So what is public static void main? As I say public I will explain later. For overview I can say public means you can if it is public means you can access your class or function from anywhere in this program. So that's why we have written public here. And static and void I will say later. When we are covering function, then at that time I will tell what is void, and when we are covering function only, that time I will tell what is static. So for now you have to remember like public static void main and string argument. String argument is a command line argument. I will say later, because if I say now, in next video I will say what is string argument, or when we are covering array, at that time I can say. So these all concepts, these all you have to, for now you have to learn, and later I will say. And in Java if you want to print anything, so you have to write system.out.print, and here ln is for go to next line. So system.out.print you can write, and here you are writing hello world. So when you compile this program you will get hello world. So we are not going to do in our own system, we are going to do online compiler. So I will search Java online compiler, and I will use GDB online compiler because it is a good compiler. So when you open GDB, you can see already here. So in GDB they have taken class as main. So whenever you run your program in GDB, you declare your class as main only here and here also, main, class as main. And one more concept is there: whenever you are writing your class name should begin with capital letter only. It is not like that if I write small letter it will not run, it will run, but it is good practice that class name should always start with capital letter. So that's why he has written capital letter. And here public static void main, and next system.order println hello world. And if I run this program by clicking run button, you can see the output here. Now it is compiling, and here hello world is coming. If I write something another anything, then you can see. So this much big, if you don't want to write, directly write println, and you can see here it is coming local and println snippet. So you go to there and click, so it will come system.order println, and you can write your program like I am writing hello, this is my first program, and I will run this. So you can see now my output will be hello world, and in next line I can see hello, this is my first program. So here you can see, as I say already, my output is coming like this. So once you go to online compiler and you compile this, you will get one main thing. If you are doing in your own machine, then whatever the class name you are giving, the same class name, save whatever class name you are giving, save with that name only. Like here he have written class name as main, capital main. So he is saving his file as capital main.java. So whenever you write your class name, that file should be saved with same class name only and extension of Java. So better to do in online compiler only, because if you are going for offline, you have to do many settings, environment setup you have to do. That I will tell later, and you can, or I have video already. I will give that video link in my playlist, so from there you can see. And for now you just practice these lines, and you can write your anything like your hobbies or anything. You can just see how Java is working. So we will meet in next lecture.